Why does your renovation cost more than you expect? It's a question a lot of homeowners are thinking, even if they don't ask it out loud. You might think, why is the cost so high? We're not building a house, we're not doing anything super high-end. And it's a fair question. Because when you look around your home, you're not trying to build something extravagant. You're just trying to update what already exists. So here's the important clarification. Renovation costs don't increase all at once for one obvious reason. They increase because a lot of small factors stack up on top of each other. Inflation does play a role, but it's not the full explanation. What most homeowners don't see is what's happening behind the scenes. First, renovation relies heavily on skilled labor, and skilled labor is not interchangeable. You can't simply swap in less experience without risking quality, safety, inspections, and ultimate time completion. Second, renovation work is inherently less efficient than new construction. We're tying new systems into old ones, working around existing structures, and coordinating trades in tighter, more restricted conditions. And then third, codes, building codes, inspections, and coordination requirements are more involved than they were years ago, especially here in South Florida. None of these feel like they're dramatic on their own, but together they compound. So when homeowners feel surprised by costs, it's usually not because someone is overcharging them. It's because they're comparing today's projects to yesterday's assumptions without realizing how much of the process has changed. The good news is this doesn't mean that you're stuck. It does mean that early decisions matter more than ever, and understanding the scope, finish levels, and feasibility before committing to plans or construction is the biggest lever you have to control costs. Clarity up front isn't a luxury anymore, it's protection. And homeowners who have the best renovation experience aren't the ones who spend the least. They're the ones who understand what drives cost early and plan accordingly. If you want to plan a renovation project and you're in the Boca Del Rey area, you're welcome to contact us.